Ay pare. Ano? Kaya merienda na tayo?
Wala ba yung itlog?
Gugutom na ako eh.
Wala pa nakakarga.
Wala pa nakakarga ha? Oo. Oo, sige, sige.
Yan.
Ha?
Paano matatapos yan ha? Boss!
Too much rice? You need to put the cook. Kalas? Oh, supervisor there. Check supervisor. Oh, Saim.
Boss!
Too much work ha? Saim, what's happened? Ay, wow. Look at these people. See, it's very hard to hear because too much loading people, loading and unloading. Hello, boss. Yes, boss.
Boss, my butcher room. Yeah.
Butcher room. No, there butcher room.
Yeah, butcher room. No, may go office, you mafi.
I'm here, there.
I request.
Mafi muskila. Boss kalam ana give you, okay? Mafi muskila. See, look at that. It's too much. See, the rice here. People are loading. See, wow. Because of Eid, 1 week there are no delivery, so that's why we are delivery here for the stocks. Yeah. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.